Hi. Hi, can we do a simple interview with you?
Oh, sure can. My name is Safia. I'm studying Diploma in Physiotherapy.
Where you want to go?
I'm going to physio room. Let me take you there. Hi, this is our physio room. And as you guys can see, this is our dumbbell. And this is for straighten our hand. And also cycling. So patient can straighten their leg. And also this is treadmill to improve cardiac activities. And this bar we call as parallel bar. So basically we teach our patient to walk like this. Okay, and then we move to skeleton. So we learn about bones from the head to the bottom. Okay, and then we have walking frame. We teach our patient to walk like this. Okay, as you guys can see, this 3 ball, and this is my favorite color called physio ball. Okay, and the last one we have heat pad or hot pad. So we give our patient heat therapy, that's all. Because I love to know about human body and would like to rehab someone from specific injury and become a great physiotherapy in future.